Ngipindesha shona kwelanga nyavuka futhi ngaphume kumnyameni ngiphila futhi amaphansi kodwa ngiyaphakamama nyakhanya manje
What gave birth to China was in Sam.
Yeah. Ndandishaya kakhulu. I used to smoke.
Yeah.
Weed.
Chayituba.
Sam.
Hi, China.
I've got small eyes, and when I'm high, extra small.
Utholakale emotweni ezitshontshiwe, utholakale yonke le ndawo.
Sure. My first encounter with Icebe, Inchiza. My first encounter with Inchiza, it was with a boyfriend, le benjola naye. And I mean, growing up, I don't want to say a crime. I did it because there was something that I was lacking at home. No, everything was there. I'm a spoiled brat. I'm grown up with my grandma and my mom. Everything I got on a silver plate. Into mna bendiyenza phandle, it came from number one siza ngaphakathi. You know, abantu sebagwetjwa, mhlawumbe he's got 2 life imprisonment, you know. So nguye umuntu ebekhipha just because of itrache bendinayo apha phandle, you know. It was just a phone call away. Ekuse uzokwenza into ethile nethile ayitsali. And that time I'm still young, igazi lishushu. Ndiyayenza full force.
China, you keep on throwing amagama wokutsala hayitsali.
Sure.
Ukhuluma inumber.
Le language I had to learn it. I did most asikho isikolo sayo.
Yeah.
You'd never find isikolo sayo, but I had to learn it so that ndizoshekisa abantu abakhoyo. Yabo? Because if they talk something like I'm at home and they're speaking about I have to go and collect guns, izawujamba pha endlini. Yabo? So we had to speak a certain language so that nabo ndizabashekisa abahleli nabo. Later on I'm leaving. Ndibana nekar, ile car ekuse bethi nyawo wena. And I'm like, ndibethe inyawo. Ndizenzile into zami but izinto zami benzenza bengazenzi kasi.
Yeah.
Yabo? Bethi inyawo up and I'm like, ikasi yami le. Ngikhulele up. So wena ungubani ozanixelela uba mandibethe inyawo up. So ndithi sure, ivaya le car ndifika pha kum. Ngibe pha kum, xa ndifika pha kum hey, khali gunshots. Ngoba okay kubhaliselwa mina. Ihleli kaloku masinolova. So I know xa usokubhaliselwa wena uba umamele.
Yeah.
Ndithi sure.
Boso imastara le bese isegazini kahle le life yokutsotsi.
Ibisegazini because I never had excuses. Amajida athi andithi mos ndiyimedi.
Yeah.
Andingumfethu.
Yeah.
So noma ndithi code ndiyayithatha anginamagunya. Yabo? So lamajida athi okay jonga thina siyakudabula wenzela uba umuntu ofikayo wena umfakele igcwala kanjani. Yabo? Ba wena umebi because amathambo abantu silawa papanje.
So imedi azibi nenumber, azine code, akuna call sign.
Awuna code but la muntu uyaxelela and uthi if la majida yakusokoliza sabe phone ngithethe naye. Because mina ndimi number 1, si number 1. La muntu akasoza aphuma etrongweni. Uhleli pha uzawufela pha.
So ukhuluma nama last number wena oloku.
Yeah.
So what are those things that you have done? And you know for a fact ukuthi le contravention yomthetho le ndingahamba straight. Of course utholakele or awutholakalanga. So what are those things?
I'm going to tell you but some years there are still cases pending, guys.
Yeah.
Yabo? Because in this
Iyatsala.
Yeah, line bang.
Hey man.
Ndithi hey kukwenye intwana apha ethengisayo ziyafona ekuse kukho imagent lapho kwekasi uthini line wakho ndifuna uthini wena ambozixuthe zayo you and without even a third partner or a second partner I'd go alone siyozithatha zona
so mele uyodispossessa wena
mfethu supper online nali icephe does many things nali icephe Wena
So
jijelwa
ubandisa
la
amachida
imba.
ngegani wena?
Clean. Hayibo. Hayibo. Hey.
Serious?
Ayo movie le. Hayibo.
There's that thing in you that says no man, lo uyadlala lo.
Sure.
But for some reason, ngihleli nawe and I can tell that you are convicted. You know umuntu onamadimoni ne?
Thak, akontshiza apha.
You?
Siba ngapha kwami ngokuseyovula icango lakhe baba thak sicade noma sisicade utyebile udriver
You?
and we know ngoku udriver wansatyebe akasoze afake intshiza apha uzayifaka phantsi kwesitulo siyakontshiza apha besifaka phantsi kwesitulo akontshiza apha ahlike udriver but koku thina sirhayiza phi udriver ngongamthetha simfake ebhutini because if udriver sasimfake ebhutini sasavaye nekari
Yo.
and it was daylight abahlali bamile why kusenzeka le nto
You?
and imagine thina sinxiba i-uniform
You?
amajida anxiba impahla why wonke umuntu andijula naye uyavaya
Ayisa.
or is it me mna ndileqa la majida
Oh, so unepower kahle kahle wena because of your masters.
and igun has so much influence because once uphatha intshiza it's like we've got the whole world kuba ungathi noba ngingayeka nto phethe
Yeah.
le nto wena le nto ingayenza le nto and ingayenza still
Uyawushaya umlilo wena, uyashaya icephe. Hey.
xa kunyanza
So
aba
the things
bantu
that we
aba
sing, yeah.
bayakwazi uyenza omdrag apha ngaphandle bayakwazi uba kube kuqhushululu apha ngaphandle
Futhumala.
as babekwazi ukuthi bepha ngaphakathi babe neenkampi ezilapha ngaphandle
Yeah.
manje kuba kukho igenge kweli kasi kukho igenge but akunamphathi akho mphathi mani kweli
Yeah.
kasi akho siphakami apha but
I-commando somewhere.
kukho iintwana ezincinci ezihlele ekoneni okoko
Yeah.
so kukhala intshiza apha but akho mntu banoshaya umthetho pha and fumani
Uyamokola, you pay your way out. You
hayi bengumuntu obenenhlahla because izinto ebengizenza yo hayi bezifuna noba ndigwetshwe bezingafuni noba ndihlale ndibe kwitrial straight ndiyagwetshwa clean.
do you think you're heartless?
I'm capable of being heartless. I'm very nice, but I'm capable of being heartless.